Hello everyone, Mr. Benjamin here, and today we'll be doing 2015 question number 5. So let's read the question. Okay, so sodium hydrogen carbonate over here, and sodium carbonate has similar chemical properties. So sodium hydrogen carbonate can be made, so that means it's a product, by bubbling carbon dioxide here into sodium carbonate. So the sodium carbonate solution over here has a concentration of 2 moles per dm cube. So 2 moles per dm cube means that in 1 dm cube of solution, there is actually 2 moles of sodium carbonate. So that is what 2 moles per dm cube means. So what volume of this solution contains 500 grams of sodium carbonate? So the strategy that we're going to adopt first is to find out how many moles are there in 500 grams of sodium carbonate, and then after that find the volume. Okay, so over here we will need to first find, number 1, the number of moles of sodium carbonate. So we need to first find the MR. So the MR of sodium carbonate is equals to 2 times 23 plus 12 plus 3 times 16. So you type that into your calculator, and then you should get about 106. Okay, so over here you have 106, and then 106 for molar mass means that 1 mole of sodium carbonate is equivalent to 106 grams. So now we have, let's put over here, we have 500 grams. So if 1 mole is 106 grams, 500 grams will be equal to 500 divided by 106. So that would equals to 4.717 moles. So that means I'm looking at 4.717 moles. So I'm given the concentration, I'm given the number of moles, and I want to find volume. So this is a CNV type of problem. So C, N, and V. So the C, the concentration is 2 moles per dm cube. The number of moles I have is 4.717 moles. So the volume is the question mark over here. So what I need to do now is C equals to N over V. 2 equals to 4.717 divided by V, and V equals to 4.717 divided by 2, which would give me 2.36 dm cube. So that would be my final answer, 2.36 dm cube. Next, calculate the maximum number of mass of sodium carbonate that can be made from 500 grams of sodium carbonate. So over here, I'm going to write out the equation one more time for you. So sodium carbonate plus carbon dioxide give me water and sodium hydrogen carbonate. And I want to find the mass, question mark grams here, that can be made out of 500 grams. So this looks like the typical 3-step thing that we will need to first find the number of moles of sodium carbonate. Alright, so find the number of moles of sodium carbonate, find the mole ratio, and then find the grams. So that's the strategy that we are going to do right now. Okay, that's the strategy that we're going to do right now. And then we need to find mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, 3 steps. So first, number of moles of sodium carbonate, I already found that in the first step. That is equal to 4.717 moles. Alright, so then mole ratio is sodium carbonate 1 is to 2 sodium hydrogen carbonate. So 4.717 is to 4.717 times 2, that would be 9.434 moles. So in order to find the mass of sodium hydrocarbonate, I need to first find the molar mass of sodium hydrocarbonate. So NaHCO3 equals to 23 plus 1 plus 12 plus 3 times 16. So that would be equals to 23 plus 1 plus 12 plus 48. That will be equals to 84. So if the molar mass of sodium hydrocarbonate is 84, that means that 1 mole is equivalent to 84 grams. And now I want to find the mass of 9.434 moles. That would be 84 times 9.434 is equals to 9.434. I got 792 grams. Okay, I hope you got the same answer as me. And that will be the answers for 2015 question 5. Bye.